Well, good early foggy Sunday morning to ya. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody's having a show enough good Sunday, and I hope everybody's having a good weekend. Lord of mercy, cold and foggy. It looks like it wants to rain over here today. But before we get started on this video, I always like to mention that if you are new to the Home in the Sticks channel, I'd like to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over, I thank y'all for coming back. What I want to share with you and y'all today is, Lord of mercy, we have a donut hack we wants to share with you, and also have an introduction. Give me a second, and that's what we fitting to do. All right, brothers and sisters, before we get started on the donut hack, I have a small introduction of sorts for you and y'all. What I'm gonna say is it's not very often that you find someone that is really compatible with you, someone that just enjoys doing a lot of the things that you do. And the person I'm gonna introduce you to has become the love of my life and also a driving force in a lot of things that I do. So without any further ado, his introduction.
Hey you and y'all, I'm Skyla.
That's right. All right, brothers and sisters, let's get down with the donut hack. Donut hack, what you talking about, Dan? Oh, by the way, that was a short introduction, wasn't it? But anyways, donut hack. I'm from New Orleans. I love beignets. But unfortunately, when I was younger, growing up, it was just something that we couldn't afford, and it was like a treat. But my grandmother made these for me way 40 years ago, and I wanted to share this recipe with you and y'all, because I'm here to tell you, it's 3 ingredients, and it tastes just like beignets. So let me show you what the ingredients are. Just a pack of some cheap biscuits, some confectioner's sugar, and some oil. And I'm here to tell you, that's it. So give me a second, we're gonna get this set up, and then we're gonna rock on to making these poor man beignets. All right, first thing we gotta do is we gotta get these, oh, there it is. And this is really simple, y'all. We're gonna do it 2 kinds of ways. The way that I like to do it is we just take one of these biscuits and cut it into quarters. And you're gonna end up with something like that. Another way you can do it also is cut them in half. So we're gonna get all of these biscuits cut up, and then we'll move into the next step. Alrighty. We have our biscuits cut up, and the next thing we got to do is we're going to take this over here to the pot full of oil, and we're going to fry them off. All right, here's our pot of oil, and we're going to stick a thermometer in here, and we want to be over 300 degrees, and we are, I'm pretty sure, because we want to stay above 300 degrees. Now, the one important thing on these biscuits is once you put them in, you're gonna have to put them out really quick, and you only want to put a couple in at a time. And they should float to the top. And I have a slotted spoon, and all we're gonna do is just work them over. See how they're browning? And you have to watch them because they'll cook rather quickly. Let us get these little donuts browned up, and we'll turn this camera back on and show you what they're gonna look like. There we have it. Our poor man beignets are somewhat complete. The only thing we have left to do is, yeah, well, that's a surprise. So give me a second. All right, the last thing we got to do is put some of this confectioner's sugar, showing off goodness on here. Lord of mercy, I think I'm in the French quarters. Look at that. Ooh-wee. All right. Now the only thing left to do is we got to taste these jokers. I think they're going to be pretty good. I'm gonna have me one too.
They're really good.
I need to go get my hair cut too. Ooh, Lord of mercy. They're pretty good. And they taste just like, dang, they're just like beignets. All right, y'all, there you have it. Poor man's beignets, a donut hack of sorts. This is a really, really easy way and cheap way to make some donuts that taste dang near like beignets. If I actually cut the donuts a little bit bigger, put them in a brown paper sack, put some confectionery sugar on top of it, shook it up, and give it to you, you would think it came from the Cafe Du Monde in New Orleans for sure, because it tastes just like the beignets. So this is just a little recipe that we wanted to share with you, and y'all give them a try at the house. The kids over here like them, and I'm sure you will like them, and I'm sure the kids will like them as well.
Go outside with you and y'all.
All right, y'all, again, I hope everybody is having a sure enough good Sunday, and I hope y'all having a safe weekend. If y'all like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Homeless Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here and give us a look, because we're always doing something. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan Referee showing enough, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine.
And I mean nobody.
You get your shine on. And Dan and Skylar will see you and y'all in the next video.